This year, I started late in my garden and I decided to grow okra because okra is heat friendly. So, but guess what? The birds wouldn't let me have any okra, so they kept pulling it out. So eventually, I had to settle for netting. I got the netting and started growing these young okras late June. Then look at how beautiful they're blossoming. They just look so beautiful. Rain, water, just giving them all the nutrients that they need. I didn't fertilize them. Nature takes its course. And now look at this. So beautiful. Yes, I grow in bags. It's easier for me. And here is my okra. Stay tuned for more dishes coming up with okra.